In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connect right away. Now you need to scroll down to select Print. Click on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. They all turn on the same way. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect, click on Displus at the top right corner. And if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, select this option here and tap on Allow. Then let your device search for your printer. You can also click on Search by IP address, input it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!